Hey guys, it's Game for the Minnesota Airsoft Association. We're at Twin Cities Airsoft in Emerald, Wisconsin, and I'm just showing you their rental fleet. So here they are. They have their full gun rack with lots of guns, batteries, high cap mags, rental masks. When you get a rental at Twin Cities Airsoft, and I'll let you look at their website for rates. You basically get the gun for the day. They'll keep replacing the batteries, and they just have a bottle of BBs that you can keep filling your high caps up all day.